Hello all the Fisto viewers, I am Bhagyashree and we are back with another match preview of the match between Chennai FC and FC Goa. It will be a rematch of the last year's semi-finals with Chennai and FC won on aggregate against FC Goa. Chennai and FC coming to this year, Chennai and FC are sitting with 5 points from 5 games, while on the other hand FC Goa have secured 8 points from 6 games they have played so far. Chennai would like to ignite some fire by winning the match tonight, whereas on the other hand FC Goa would want to take revenge from last year's semi-finals. So in this video, I will be giving you a match preview. We will talk about the predicted lineups, the team combinations and the team news, and in the end, I will give you Fisto's Fantasy 11 to get you maximum points in your fantasy team. So stay tuned right till the end. We first start with FC Goa. Even though they're coming off a loss against ATK Mohun Bagan, they are one of the contenders for this year's semi-finals. They have a relatively new team, but the way they have adapted so quickly, it's absolutely phenomenal to see. The star striker Angulo and Mendoza are in great form. So moving on to the team news, Juan Fernando always used a 4-2-3-1 formation whenever Edu Vidya is in the starting 11. In the last match, Edu Vidya came in for Ortiz Mendoza, and the absence of Ortiz was felt until his arrival late in the second half, as FC Goa struggled to create any chances or even score any shots on target. We expect him to start today instead of one of the centre backs, preferably James Donaki, or instead of Alberto Nogueira. So Brandon Fernandes may also come back to the lineup, being rested against the champs. So the preferred formation would be like 4-2-3-1 with Mohammad Nawaz as the goalkeeper, Seriton, Aiban, Garrido and Gama as the defenders, Edu Vidya and Lenny as the central defense midfielders, Ortiz Jesuraj Neguera in front of them, and Igor Angulo as the lone striker. Next, we talk about Chennai and FC. They are coming after a very fighting draw of 0-0 against Northeast United FC. Their campaign has turned upside down after winning their opening match against Jamshedpur FC. They are in desperate need for points, and Laszlo-led side would come out in the intention of getting those 3 points to their names from tonight's contest. So moving on to the team news, Laszlo has to worry about injuries to some of his key players. Both Sipovic and Isma Gonçalves are out for at least a week and would hence miss out on today's match against FC Goa. He also said in the conference after the last match that both Thapa and Crivellaro would start in the next game, so we can expect them to open tonight's match instead of Edwin and Germanpreet respectively. So moving on to the predicted formation, it would be like 4-2-3-1 with Vishal Keth in between the sticks, Regan Singh, Elisabia, Memo and Jerry as the defenders, Thapa Tangri as the central defense midfielders, Crivellaro, Fatulev and Shangte as the midfielders, with Jakub Sylvester as the lone striker. So talking about what can be expected in the match tonight, although FC Goa is ahead of Chennai and FC in the points table, both the teams have had a very similar season so far. If Chennai and FC can win against FC Goa, they would go ahead of FC Goa, courtesy to goal difference. So today's contest will be mouth-watering and surely a treat for the fans. We now take a look at Fisto's Fantasy 11 team combination. So we have kept Keth as the goalkeeper in between the sticks, Garrido, Gama and Sabia as the defenders, Mendoza, Nogueira and Edu Vidya as the midfielders, Thapa and Tangri in front of them. In the forwards, we have Angulo and Sylvester. So that was the Fisto Fantasy 11 team combination for you, and please note that this was on the basis of the prediction that we have spoken about in this video, and it is subject to change depending on the actual lineups. We've also written a detailed article about the Fantasy 11 team combination, which is available in the description below. Thank you for watching Fisto Sports. Stay tuned.